can you see? Yes. Get it now. Click on get it now. Okay, please put your Microsoft account. Yes, open in Excel. Get started with add-in. That means it is getting added in. Yes, perfect. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so at the top, you have a file section at the top, file, extreme left, file. Yes, click on it. Okay, just below the last option, options. The green button, the last one, options.
Yes, option.
And click on it. Okay, can you
Add-on
see
provides.
add-in?
Yeah.
Here you need to search XLMiner. Yes. Analysis tool packs. Just search XLMiner.
Should I click on this first?
Yes. Okay. And see below it is showing manage add Excel add-ins. Click on go. Click on go. Okay. Analysis tool pack. Perfect. Click on OK. Click on OK.
Should I
Okay.
add all of
Yes.
them or just one?
No, that's okay. Only one we need. Click on OK as well. Okay. Now, here, can you see it is showing show tool pack. Can you click on it? On the top right-hand side, where your name is written, that side show tool pack is coming. Just go right.
Yes.
Right. Yes. Click on it. Yes, it's been installed, I guess. Superb. It's there in your system. Wow.
Excellent.
Great. Now you can open any Excel file, the one which I've shared it yesterday with you. So we will do all of these things now, like linear regression when you learn ML, everything we'll do it from here only, okay? All right, so suppose this is the sheet. Now you go to descriptive statistics because that's what you have learned in yesterday's class. Perfect. Now select the input range. Select from there, from where to where, what you need. Select the input range. Yes. Say, okay, till 10. See, it has selected 1 to 10. Now, where do you need the output? In H column, I column, where do you need the output? Just click on it. Okay, click. So see, it has come over here. Click on OK. Yeah.
Excellent. Very good.
Yeah.